Hey guys, so today I'm showing you this 35-piece deluxe gun cleaning kit from Gunmaster. So you can see it comes in this nice aluminum carry case. I love that it's small and compact. I actually take it with me when I go out to the range. I don't want to take something that's super big and bulky. I do have a larger cleaning kit at home, but this is one I take with me when I'm out and about. It fits in my bag and, it just doesn't take up a lot of space. And so literally, this thing has pretty much everything you need for all calibers and sizes of standard guns. You have your shotgun, your regular long arms rifles, and of course, different calibers of handguns. And so for cleaning down the barrels, you have different rods here. And you also have the little handles to make it easier to get down there and, turn it around to clean out the inside of the barrels. There's different ones here too, with different end pieces for different sizes. Let me see, we've got the mops. Again, all different size calibers, all different size barrel sizes. You have your brushes here. Again, fits pretty much, there's brush sizes here for pretty much all of your calibers of personal weapons, right? And so, yeah. Oh, and it comes, when you buy it, it does come with a box of 50 of these napkins. I've obviously used this for the last couple of years, so I do need to kind of refill it, and this is all I got left. But it does come with them. So, yeah, if you're looking for a simple, compact solution, to take with you to the range, if you're a beginner and not sure where to get started, and you have a couple of different types of firearms, I think this would make a really great starter kit.